Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add blog posts to Squarespace website. So once you are on your dashboard, you want to go ahead and choose a website where you want to add a blog post and choose this website option and click on it. Now, once you are on this dashboard, then you can see that there is a website option and then pages and styles below it. So you want to click pages. And after this, as you can see, you have the main navigation and you can actually add a new option here, add a new page. So you want to click on this plus sign. And once it's opened, now you can see that in collections there is blog, so you want to click on that. And here you will see that you can add a blog and there's a lot of layouts which you can choose from. So for example, let's choose maybe this one. And you can rename it if you want. And now let's go back. Once you click on this sign, also you can go ahead and click here and basically do some general settings. I'm just going to leave it like so. When you click on this arrow, you will be redirected here, and now you can actually edit every single post here. So once you are here, you now can click just on the blog itself and edit every single post. So let's edit the first one, for example, this one. Here is the blog post which is already added, and if you want to edit it, just click edit, and here you can edit this blog post, edit description, add an image, for example, or embed a code with this one, or add a code like so. There's a lot of options you can add, some integrations. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.